Hello friend, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll discuss Mathematical Physics 2019 question paper objective question solutions. So option number A scalar is a rank of 0 tensor. Option B, on describing the length of each of the basis vector, the contravariant component of a vector in increase. Option C, any function is so always analytic differentiables and continuous, but the conserved is not true. Question number D. Which of the following represent a correct characteristic? So option number 2. CR condition are necessary but not sufficient for a function to be analytics. Question number E. If W equals to Fz equals to U x comma y plus IV x comma y is a continuous function at z equal to z0, then so option number 3, u x comma y and v x comma y are separately continuous. Question number F, stress is second order tensor. Option number G, Laplace transformer Lx minus 1 by 2 is equals to so under root pi by p. Question number H, Laplace transformer L cos h ax is equals to so a p square minus a square. This is correct relations. Question number I, direct delta function minus infinity to plus infinity del x dx is equals to 1. This is correct. Question number J, the solution of differential equation dx square plus dt square plus y w square y is equal to 0 is so y equal to y0 cos square wt means omega t omega square. So I've come to the paper 2020 physics CC2 mathematical physics. So question number first, Laplace transformations of e a per x is so 1 by p minus a. Question number B, the number of possible combination of the component of 3 vector in a tensor of rank 3 is so 27 is correct. Question number C, the inverse Laplace transformation of p square plus a square is cos ax. And question number D, the function which is not analytic to which circle is expanded by Laurent series and analytic is Taylor series. Question number E, which of the following statement is not true about the convectors? So you can see this option and 3 option is here. So option number B means 2 vector component are represented by different row vector. Question number F, the solution of differential equation y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So x equals to cy, x equal to cy. Question number G, on the basis of direct delta function, the value of the integral I equals to integration xq del x minus 2 by dx is equals to so 8. Question number H, the integrals minus and del plus del x minus integrations to plus integrations minus infinity to plus infinity integrations minus infinity to plus infinity and del x minus y del y minus a by a dy is equals to so option A, del x minus a. Question I, choose the correct expression about an analytic function. So analytic function is always differentiable and continuous, but the conserved is not true. Question J, which of the statement is not true about the convergent series? So option number 2, the series conserved for all point in the whole plane. Whole plane is correct. And question come to the 2022 question paper. Question number 1, integrating factor of the differential equation cos x dy dx plus y sin x equals to sec square x is so sec x. Question number B, Fourier transformation of which of the following function does not exist? So this is option 3, e x square e x power e x square. And question number C, a function fz is said to be analytic at a point z0 if so option number 3, fz is differentiable not only at z0 but at every point in a same neighborhood of f0. Question number D, the reduce of fz equals to zq minus zq by z square minus 1 by at z is infinitive. So option number 3 minus 1 is correct. The path traversal in a calculating the green theorem is anti-clockwise. Question F. An unit impulse function in a continuous from and defined to be del t equals to infinitive t equals to 0 t not equals to 0. So this is the correct lesson. This is not equal to 0. Question number G. If a group is defined as AXB equals to A plus B minus 1, then the inverse of the group is 2 minus A. Question number H. Intersection of a subgroup is subgroup. Question number I. The number of components for a tensor order 3 is 27. Question number J. The divergence of a stress tensor is subvector is correct. So come to the 2023. In n-dimensional space for each point of a region, there is corresponds a definite tensor that is defined as tensor field. Question number B. Identify element of a group G, X is. So E is correct. Question number C. If two roots of a second order differential equation is same fx, then the general solution will be fx plus fx f dash x is correct. Question number D. If fs is Fourier transformation of ff, then the Fourier transformation of ft minus a will be so e minus I s f s. Question number E. Inverse of minus 1 a group G equals to 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 means this is relations is, so minus 1 is correct. Question number F. The evaluation of defined integral is obtained achieved by using reduced theorem. Question number G. An isolated singularity that is not a pole or removable singularity is called essential singularity. Question number H. The tensor obtained from the inner product of two tensors are known as associate tensor. Question number I. Fourier series solution of a differential equation is so convergent. Question number I. Riemann-Christoffels tensor is always known as curvature tensor. Question number J. This is Riemann-Christoffels tensor is always known as curvature tensor. And come to the session 2023-25 question paper. On decreasing the length of each of the basis vector, the contravariant component vector of a vector so increase. Option number 2. Stress is second order tensor. Question number 3. Laplace transform x minus 1 by 2 is equals to under root pi by p. Under root pi by p is correct. You can see this under root pi by p is correct. Question number 5. The number of possible combination of the component of 3 vector in a tensor of rank 3 is so 27. Question number 6. If a function which is not analytic with a circle is expanded by Lorentz series. Question number 7. The solution of differential equation y dx minus x dy is so x cy. Question number 8. The path travel in a calculating the green theorem is anti-clockwise. The residue of fz equals to zq by z minus 1 at z is equals to infinity is so option minus 1 is correct. Question number 10. In SU to the generator are trackless Hermitian matrix. Come to the 2025 means 2022 session 2024 to 2026. So Laplace transformation of a function f is defined as 0 fz equals to 1 by ft est by dt. So sorry, this is the option is say integration 0 infinity ft e minus st by dt. Question number 2. Powers is method used for solving differential equation with variable coefficient. Question number 3. The function fz equals to x, y means I, y is so analytic everywhere or nowhere analytics. So there are two options correct. You can choose any one option in these examinations. Question number 4. If fz is not an analytic function at the point A, then fz can be explained by Lorentz range. Question number 5. The green function is useful solving of inhomogeneous differential equation. Question number 6. Drag delta function is also known as unit impulse function. Question number 8. Every group isomorphism to a group of permutations. Question number 8. How many property can be held by a group? 4. And zeroth rank tensor is called vector. Zero rank is called a scalar, and one rank is vector, and second rank is matrix. So question number 10. A vector that is denoted by the subscript is called contravariant vector. So you can see this is relation. Zero rank tensor is called scalar, first rank tensor is called vector, and second rank tensor is called matrix, third rank tensor is called triad, fourth rank tensor is called Riemann cultivator tensor, fifth rank tensor is called 5 tensor. So this is the correct answer. So I hope this video helped for your coming soon examination. Thank you for watching this video. So have a good day.